Yo, 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 welcome back to the stream, y'all. I'm glad you guys made it. All right. Y'all already know what time it is. It's money time. Y'all, we got these charts pulled up. We got gold pulled up. I want to go over some things real quick. I'm just gonna jump into it because I got a whole lot of things I need to be getting to. Um, but I want to come and give my time to y'all, and I want to show you guys some things that's happening here in these markets. Okay. I want to clear this just so that we can see what's going on here. I'm betting that market now it broke this low here. I mean this yeah, it broke this little high here over here, and then it came back and tested on it, and it bounced off and continued, right? My eye is looking at this candle here, right here. Let me show you this one, okay? This big push up to the downside. I want to fib this candle, right? It is fib already. So let me just get rid of it. So as you can see, I already fibbed this candle, and I have the I have 78, 88%. So what I want to do is put a line on the 78% level and the 88%. That's right here and right here, and then the 50%, which would be right there. All right. So those three lines there. So keep in mind these lines that I just placed on the chart. All right. Okay, so I'm looking at us getting up in these areas for to be looking for that reversal. Yesterday we was looking for the reversal. We got it. We got like 40 pips, but then she came back and smacked our break even um, and the stop loss areas. So that wasn't the trade, guys. All right. Um, it was a short trade against the trend. Okay. Nothing like long term or anything like that. All right. But we're now moving in the up direction, and I can see that they are leaving insufficient price action. So they're leaving this liquidity, and now they're heading to the upside. So they obviously hit this point of interest that I was telling you guys about above that we had. So we already hit that, smacked it, and we're getting ready to push up even more, guys. Okay. And I'm thinking that we're going to head up to the 1939 area. And let's see. Yeah, we're going to get up in the 1939 area. That's what I believe. And we can get all the way up to there. And then I'm looking at this institutional candle right here. This is an institutional candle. This candle took, if you look left, it took liquidity. It was engulfed by the next candle. It reached up and reversed, and that was the last buy to sell candle before the down move, as you can see here, right? And now they're reaching back up to it, and we're going to reverse somewhere up in these areas. This is the zone, all right? So I'm looking for these zones, but right now, the sale is not there. We have more say buys than we have a sale going on right now. Okay. So we already hit this insufficient price action. So we're going to clean these chart up a little bit. Some things that we don't need because um, it already happened. All right. So I'm just going to clean this up. So. Okay. All right, so this is what we have right here. Hmm. Yeah, I can see us buying up. Yeah, I think I want to buy up. It looks like a nice buy. Momentum is going in that direction. Um, where are we at? 1935. Okay. Let me just see what's over here. Just see here. Yeah, I'm looking to buy right there. All right. It's starting to look really good, guys. Guys, it does look good here. Yeah, we're gonna buy here. This might be okay. All right, so we're gonna get in at 1936, and we're gonna buy up. Let's do that real quick. Buy now. Buy now. Yeah. And does it look like DXY is falling? Oh yeah, she's falling. All right, cool. We can buy. We can buy. Definitely buy gold, guys. Definitely buy gold. All right. So that's what we're doing right here. And remember, we do not have any news today. So it's 19. We don't have news. We got little building permits, but that's not no high news is what I'm saying. All right. Need 3 positions. All right. So I have my positions now. As you guys can see, we're in at 1936. Yeah, because momentum is going to the high side, and it looks like we're going to gravitate towards this insufficient price action over here. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. Just hold that bad boy. Just hold that bad boy. Looking around that area there. It's really getting up in this area. Looks like we're filled on the 15-minute though. Let's see anything on the 5-minute. A little some on 5-minute. It's like right here. All right. And then 5-minute up here, here. We got, okay, so we know we got some liquidity above that. We do got liquidity above. All right, let's get it. Easy 50 pips today. Come on, you owe it to us. She owes it. Trust me, she's gonna produce. All right. Ooh. Yo, y'all see it, bro. Gym, bro. I be barely making it here because I be at the gym. So I be barely making it, guys. Barely, just barely. Let's go, guys. Let's go. See what we got here. Look at this. Look at this market. DXY doing this thing. Yeah, look at DXY getting in that insufficient price action that we marked before. Remember that? Remember we marked this insufficient price action, guys? All right. So, and now she is now all up in it, deep up in it. You feel me? Falling nicely. All right. So everything is looking good there. Now let's look at your 30 today. Let's see. Are we gonna get something on your 30 today? What are we gonna get? Let's look at her hourly. Is yours 30 gonna produce anything today? Pins. What's NASDAQ? What's XPX? All right, cool. Yeah. Yeah. US 30 tanking. I have to put some on it. Some light. She's falling nicely. I like this fall that she's doing right now on US 30. Like seeing her get down in this insufficient price action here. It didn't get up there. So maybe we'll continue to the downside. I'm gonna lower it up a little bit. All right. So let's see. Let's look. Okay, then just take that high. Let's see. Okay, so let's check our gold trade. Still looking good. Yeah. Oh, I appreciate it. Yeah. I need it right there. I needed that tea. All right, let's see. Let's see. How we looking? What's our stop? 15 pip? 17 pip? Hmm. Let's see. It's 30. XY. The XY is actually close. We hit something over here. Let me check. Nothing really. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't play it off this candle. Maybe something might happen on that candle. A little rejection, maybe. A lot of rejection, actually. Let's see. Go pull up. All right. Our stop is 17 pips. So we got a tight stop on this because I see liquidity below. So we could come down, tap in this area, and then fly. And then DXY is like pulling up, little pull up here. So we're gonna get some pullback on gold. See DXY wanting to shoot up. I wouldn't sold off of that candle at all. Like maybe it gives some type of pull off of that candle. Like it already running what 14. All right, yeah, it's gonna hit the 15 or 17 pip stop. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Let me check this here. Let me see what's happening. Um, yeah, I can see why. I can see why I want to do that. this candle right here. Okay, so it was a strong push up, and then they had this black candle. So they sold here, and then they pushed up again. It looks like they're playing back into this area where they sold at, pick up, you know, maybe some contracts there, and then continue to the high side. CDXY. All right, we still got that move. We're just pulling back some. Um, we're just pulling back some in this candle. So we still got more insufficient price action below, right? It didn't fill all of it. Look, below this wick and all the way to the end of this pink box right here is insufficient. So we might need to go ahead and close all that out. And then there's insufficient price action below down here on the dollar an hour. Then let's see here too. All of this is insufficient. Right? Matter of fact, let's just bring this thing down here. Right? I would like to see that DXY come down there. So our gold trade could push up. Right? If DXY continues to move down, the gold should move up. Um, US 30 trade is doing good, hitting targets. Not worried about that one. Want my gold trade to take off. Need this to take off, guys. That right there. If it doesn't, I'm looking for market to come maybe down up in this area, and then I can look for the buys there on probably on a lower time frame. She looked like she will come down some and hit like insufficient price action here, 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 here. So I'm not really feeling this trade here. So might have to, I'm gonna let it hit the stop, but I'm gonna have to readjust and be looking for lower positions on for the Yeah, I don't know what's up with my mic. My mic keep going out. But anyways, I was just saying like DXY needs to turn around so that way we can get gold to come up, you know. So, and then US 30 is looking good. Our US 30 trade is looking okay too for now. I want the next candle is in 5 minutes, so we'll see what's going on the 15-minute chart. Next 15-minute candle comes up in 5 minutes and 24 seconds. So we'll just be waiting, guys, and just looking and examining, cleaning stuff up. All right. Let's see. You gotta keep your eye on gold because the DXY is just shooting to the high side. So gold could tank, guys. Gold could tank if that's the case, but then gold could stall. And I'm seeing like these let me see the hourly. We created these little dojis up here. And I don't like them. Like I feel some kind of way about it, right? There's like too much wick action here, and then they're not moving in price that much. They're not opening the open and close of the price is not like big candles. So I don't like to see that, but I'm going to hold it. I do like what happened before it, right? Before this happened, I like that, but I don't like these little wick things, right? And I'm just gonna hold it to get past it. This is just to me indecision in price. They're like telling us that, well, we don't know which way we want to go, you know. And then they could be like showing you a trick, like, oh well, we look like we weak, but we not. We really strong. So that too, you know, I'm looking at all of those possibilities right there. So that's why I'm just like, I don't like it, but I'm gonna hold it. And then she did not hit our stop loss yet. Right here, she grazed it. I mean, she did graze it, but she didn't hit it. Let's look at US 30. Oh man, US 30 tagged our target. So we're doing really good on US 30's trade. US 30 trade has hit TP 1 and 2, 5, 7. So it did hit TP1, got smashed. So let me let them know that. And then we're waiting on TP2, which should be getting smashed shortly too. So let's look at gold real quick. Let's look at DXY real quick. Yeah, DXY is playing, bro. DXY is playing, bro. Yo, what is going on? All right, but look at US 30 though. US 30 smacking it. I mean, really smacking it. He taking off US 30. We could see US 30 probably like go even lower, but I got a short little TP target right there. But I also got I got my eye on some things below. You know what I mean? Like these lows here, this wick here, this wick here, this wick here, and this wick here. And then all of these wicks here. All right, they all got stop losses. So, but we got to be careful with gold. Gold looking like she's stalling a lot, like she just want to fall. So if that's the case, it don't look like dollar wants to go too high. We might just get out of gold. We might just be done with gold because she's not doing so well. And she does look like she's rejecting. And if she doesn't reject right here, then I know that, like, yo, she's probably gonna sell even deeper. And I wouldn't want to stay in her if she decides to tank. But let's look at US DXY. See, look how DXY is flying up. Guys, DXY is doing all that. I'm trying to see where she gonna turn around at. It's that 1 minute area. She could turn around there. You know, she's close on my stop loss, guys. She's so close on my stop loss, y'all. Gold been smacking me. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'll own up to it. Gold smacking me this week. All right, I'm out. She smacked me this week too many times. She smacked me. All right, I'm out of this thing. Let me close out these trades. I can't even say nothing because look, DXY is like flying up. Gold is definitely gonna tank. All right, so that one didn't work out. So let's see where she could go. Right here. That's a 1 minute. What am I doing? 5 minute. All right, here's what that 5 minute area. This is what I was thinking. Maybe she could come here. She kind of did here, but look at all this slip, like all of this here, and it look like they're covering themselves too, like they're covering their tracks. So strong possibility of a strong sale. I've been looking for sales, but I thought maybe, you know, due to the breaking of the structure that we could get the buys in and we could be heading to the top, but maybe we need to pull back some more before we can go up. So hey, not all trades work out, but the US 30 did work out though. US 30 did take off for us and giving us what we're looking for on her to fall. I've been waiting on her to fall. Like we were trying to get her to fall up in this area, I think. Yeah, I think we were like up in this area. We were trying to get her to fall. She fell like a little bit. I think it was Monday. Yeah, it was Monday up in this area. She fell a little bit and then she just kept pulling back. Then the next day came in, she fell. So, but, and she pulled back a lot. She went up a lot. But let's look at gold real quick. Yeah, gold is like, to me, gold, I'm going to get rid of this because this is going to make me have to like change my bias on it. So I'm going to have to look and see what's happening here to say, all right, strong possibility that they played off of this candle. I mean, I wouldn't have played off of it, but I see that. I see it. And maybe that is something that they're wanting to do. They're wanting to go for. Let's look here. All right, so we did get dollar to pull all the way here, tap into insufficient price action, move off of that. Let me see something. It might have been this right here. I'm just wondering if it could have been this. It tapped into this insufficient price action. And then could head up to the top. Set a little stop right here of like 15 pip. There's still insufficient price action there. Let's do it. Go. Let's just check. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. I think that was it, though. I think that would have been it. Let's see, DXY. What you doing? US 30. Pulling back a little bit. Look how I just took these lows here. Just took those lows, guys. Real slick, real quick. They out. Drop below, came even lower. I think they could drop a little lower. Let's see, DXY. See that one. I mean, it does look like dollar wants to fall a lot more and then get below these lows and in this insufficient price action here and here. It just looks like it. But and then the 1 hour rejections on the here on gold, we didn't quite get up in this area. We came down and we might pop up. Let me see the 1 hour again. It's like you would want to buy in this area. Where we at? 1935. Let's try it. Let's try it. That might have been the buy down here. Boom. You can only just wait and see. You just never know. These areas here is like rejecting, but still, I think we might still just get that push to the high side. Because dollar, I feel like dollar will still have to push to the downside. US 30 is just outperforming itself. Looking amazing. Let's see DXY. Let's look at it on 15-minute. I mean, this setup right here, like literally, like I see this institutional like little candle here on the left. If you look left, but I don't think I would have played off of that. I probably would have played like a little higher. I would have wanted to play a little higher versus playing off of that. So it might do a fake setup and then continue. Because I see this. I know that's there. Because I know that's there, no, and it's above all of this liquidity here. This is insufficient price action on probably a 5-minute or 1-minute that I found. So I know there's money sitting up here, right? So, and above these highs, there's all kind of money sitting up here, all these stop losses, right? So why would we just turn around before that? I don't think so. I don't think so. See, look, we're not there yet. We haven't got up there yet. See, this is where I'm talking about here. I'm gonna put dollar signs there so you can see. This is a dollar sign area there. And we are over here. And I don't think like we only reached this high. So, and that's only playing off it in this area. I wouldn't play it off of that. Like, just to, let me show you. Where they at? Right here. Right here. So is this area. See this? This right here. This is what they're trying to play off of. Right here. I wouldn't play it off of that. Because there's liquidity above. And this is a 15-minute situation. So somebody that want to play off that 15-minute might take that, but I personally wouldn't have taken it. But it could have been it could be the shot. Let me just check it. I have to keep examining and seeing like what are they doing. They didn't break this low. They dipped into this insufficient price action and then pulled up off of it. That's all I really see. I don't know, like this area is just too congested for me to really think of a play. All I want to see is her continue to the high side, basically. Right? It's two sides. Buy, sell, pick one. Just pick right. But based off my analysis and what me seeing above, I believe that, and then we're just trending to the high side. Yeah, we're going to leave insufficient price action to come back and get later, but you just don't know when that later is. You got to find that later. So I don't know, guys. This is a little tricky area right here. What is today? Today is what, Tuesday? They really beating me up today. Last 2 weeks, Monday, man, I was smacking them. And then today they coming back like, oh, you remember those 2 smacks you gave me? I'm gonna smack you. I'm gonna smack you back this week. So I don't know, like they're stalling in this area and it's like it's tripping. It's really trippy right now. And then with no news, it's not pushing it anywhere. So we could just stall. And that right there would suck because we could get like a consolidation right here. And I don't want it to, I mean, yeah, I like the consolidation here and then push up to this eye, right? But it's probably just because of I didn't get this last little position down here because I got in up here. So that's probably why I don't want, you know, to see too much of the fluctuation in this area, because like I'm in right here. So but I did see her bounce down here and bounce up. So we'll see if we can get the push for the buy side. Are we doing on US 30? Let's see how we doing. Oh, okay. US 30 is doing great, guys. US 30 is still doing amazing work. It looks like TP2 was hit for the group. So let's do that. TP2 has been smashed. Yeah. All right. And then it looks like 3, 4. TP3 smash. All right. So now we got all TPs today smashed on US 30. That's amazing, guys. We're starting the day off right, guys. We just gonna start the day off right. That's what we gonna do. Right? That's how we do that. That's exactly how we do that. Let's go. All right, so let's see. Gold. Let's look at gold real quick. US 30 is just taking off for us, so that's great. We closed that last candle hourly a little bigger than the last two candles, last two hourly candles. Nothing too crazy. Still showing we have some buying power still in the market. Again, I'm still looking at this level up here. I want to get, I want to see market reach up to 1939. So I'm just going to hold out until she gets up to 1939. Let's see something. All right. Okay. It's pretty slow week, guys. Pretty slow week. US 30. Look at US 30, guys. Just taking off. Taking off, guys. Like, killing it, man. Let's go. Let's go. Man, look at that shmoney just dropped for y'all. Yo, if you was in the Telegram group, you got the signal. All TPs have been smashed today. It's easy as that. All right, let's just go back to DXY. DXY pushing up, so gold is stalling. But I want to see DXY turn around soon. Like maybe do a little push up and then turn around or something like that. But I'm going to keep my eye on gold. This is our trade. All right, she's doing a little push up. Let's see. Yeah, go down to pull back. So, all right, perfect. So, let's see if we can get get up in here in this insufficient price action here. Definitely want to see her get to my eye. I went ahead and adjusted my stop loss a little bit below this low, just to give it more space to breathe, and then watch her take off. As if DXY can push back down. Looked like she did a real strong push to the downside, dipped in liquidity and reversing. But we didn't feel the liquidity, and then there was a lot more liquidity below. So there's a lot of traffic here to try to push down into. So they tapping down into it, and you know, they're gonna bounce up and then grab some more probably monies and then fall even more. They need money to get down there. So look at US 30. Just nice. US 30 is just outperforming itself, guys. Like, where can US 30 go? Like, who has an idea on where US 30 could possibly go to? Because I gave it this much just for, you know, the group, signal for the group, signal for, you know, the stream. But I'm still holding this trade. Like, at break even. Like, we can break even on this trade. And then there was very little drawdown on this trade. I don't like gold. DXY is flying. All right, gold. Okay, so gold definitely could. I mean, playing off. I'm looking left over here off of this area here. I'm like, yo, I know they didn't play off of that, bro. And they dipped here, and then you mean to tell me they're going to continue down? Like, it don't make sense. But hey, market gonna do what market want to do. You feel me? But I gave it what 18 pips stop. So if it hits 18 pips, I'm out. You know, I'm done with that one. I'm gonna be done with it. Like, I don't lost enough money on gold. Gold smacking me this morning. Yesterday morning too. Gold smacked me yesterday too. Hey man, yo, if my shot that I'm taking don't hit, it's okay. I got more shots. I'm gonna take those shots. And I'm gonna hit eventually. I'm gonna hit big when I do hit. All right, I'm gonna take these small L's, whatever. Move on. Come on, DXY, what you doing? All right, cover your little tracks and then turn around. We got a whole hour and 52 minutes before the next hourly candle. So she could push up, give us that wick, and then turn around and get down here to these lows. So just check it hold. And then here. All right. And the chef in there doing the damn thing, bro. Bro, I've been eating good, vegan, so I get all these vegan meals every day, and like he's my nutritionist and my physical and my you know, he works out with me too, so my workout partner. All right, so yeah. Anyways, look at Go doing like. We'll see. We'll see. It's just this could have been a shot for a turnaround, but it's like they ain't playing off over here with this liquidity above. We might get that pullback and then she come back up. If she we'll get this pullback and then she comes down and dip in this area and then she comes back up, guys. I'm gonna be like, like look how she's dipping into this back into this insufficient price action based off the 5-minute. Like if she busts and breaks through that, like I know she's gonna like try to go a lot lower. But I don't think that this would have been the shot. And I don't know. Maybe it's because I wouldn't play it off that shot at all. I would play a lot higher. I play above liquidity and below liquidity, not in liquidity. Let's see. All right, you reached. Now turn around. That's what I want to see. Reach, wick, turn around. Start falling, gold will do its thing and start rising. But if DXY keeps pushing up, gold is going to eventually push down into these lower areas here, lower insufficient price action areas, before doing like a little reversal or whatever. So really, I'm just standing by watching this trade. Not standing by. I'm actually in this trade. I'm just holding. Just in a little bit of drawdown right now. Let me see something. Look at US 30. Guys, look at US 30, guys. US 30 is gone, yo. She's smashing the market right now. Like, she smashed all of our TPs. That's awesome. All right. Let me see. Let me check. Gold. Okay. Did DXY do what I say do? All right, cool. Gave us the wick. Turn around now. Now, let's see. Gold. Gold is gonna give us that wick here, and then we should push up. I would like to see her like slam up, like really, really take up, like taking out all these wicks here, this wick here, and getting above this wick. But if not, then she'll just plummet and fall down here to these areas here, and then we'll be looking for the buy back up to the high side. Let's see. DXY is just really playing with our heartstrings, yo, for real. Just playing with us, man. And not in a good way. So, okay. Do it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm flip back and forth because I like to look at everything. I like to keep my eyes on everything, see how everything is moving, how is it fluctuating. Look at this BS right there. It's just causing gold to just spaz out up here. Like I don't like some things that I'm seeing right now for the buy side, and it's just for the buy side. It's like they creating this accumulation right here, guys, and then it's like they're doing a small setup on a lower time frame, but that's lower time frame. Let's see the higher time frame real quick. Higher time frame, you would think that, okay, so they got this candle here, and then if this candle closes and engulfs this candle, we might see the next candle push down, and then it'll get down up in these areas here. So let's mark it here, and then let me make this clear, because she's slipping on the way up, so we're just gonna keep updating the chart accordingly. Let's keep up, and then we'll just go down here. Yeah, all of this. Yeah, sure. A little further down. And are they gonna knock me out my stop or what? Yeah, for real. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. That's what they're doing. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Playing with me, yo. For just playing with me. All right. So we got that, and we got a 15-minute insufficient price action here. All right. All right. So we know what's below. We can see what's below. Lots some money below. Right? I'm wondering if I should be looking at this as a sell, playing off of that area right there. But it's like this insufficient price action above. It's just messing with me. All right, just messing with me. But I'm still only like, I'm like 12 pips away. My entry's like 12 pips out. 14 pips out, 13. Okay. I might just have to let this go. DXY look like she just want to fly up a lot more. So I might have to let my gold trade go. Don't hit my stop. Yo, if it hit the stop, man, it's cool. I got other things in mind. And I really did want to sell. Like, I've been wanting to sell all week, right? But it was like, yo, maybe we're just pushing up to the high side. All right, so I'm out of this trade because it just hit my stop. All right. So this one, we're out. We're out of this one. Now I'm just gonna watch it to see what happened. I'm wondering, the only thing I could think of, guys, is that they played off of this candle right over here. And that's it. They played off of this candle here. That's the only thing that I could think of, is why they turned around before this liquidity above. Before taking all of this above, you turned around right here on this candle, right? So let's see. All right, now let me drag it this way. And let's see what they did. Boom, right there. That's the only thing I could think of, is that's how I could catch to see what they're doing, is that right there. And then 1 minute. Yep. Then there was these highs here. So that's it. That's how she caught me there. Damn, gold smacking me this week, y'all. Gold, I mean, literally gold is smacking me. I've been smacking gold for 2 weeks, so it was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. Like, she was bound to come and get me. And then if you look at DXY, like how DXY just keeps moving to the high side, and it's just not turning around. Let me go to 15-minute real quick. See, look at that. Yeah. All right, so gold is just really just messing with me this week. Look like she dipping down in this insufficient price action, but that doesn't mean that she can fly up now. Like, I wanted her to get a lower position, but could it have been here? I was thinking more down here at 1932, but it looked like she wanted to take 1933 and then go back up. It's just, this area just doesn't seem like a place that I would have played off of, but they did do, let's see, how many pips did they do? 40 pips. Like, that's not it, bro. That's not it. That's not enough to, like, she would have to push a lot more for me. Let me see the 1 minute. She dipped down in there, which is great. Now we're getting this fast move down, dipping in, and then reaching, look left, insufficient price action, move to the upside now. Like, could that be it? And then give us that play where we can move up? Could we do that? This DXY is just moving crazy right now. Let's see US 30. US 30 still falling. And it's still moving up. Like, the gold is moving up. So DXY should be moving down. She's playing right now. It did get up into this candle and then rejected. Just like gold got up in that candle over there and rejected. Let me try something. This down here would have been a better play, like right there and down here. I would have been looking there, but let's just go ahead and try this right here, guys. This is gonna be my last try. I mean, this is my last little I'm gonna see if we could get let me look at something here. Euro is looking like a sell. Euro looks like a sell. And gold and euro correlate together. When euro is moving down, gold is moving down. So we might not be moving up on gold, period, guys. We might still be moving sales on gold. And then, but DXY, okay, so DXY is moving up. All right. So we might still be just getting like sell up in here. It might be that sale. That might have been it, guys. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna take the sale to see if the sale is it. Up in this area. I don't really, like I said, I don't like it. I wouldn't sell here, but I wouldn't have sold this area off of that candle, but it was a 15-minute candle, so I'm not sure. When I get a little mind boggled about something, like it makes me think like, all right, look, you're just probably playing in an area where a lot of retailers are playing and getting knocked in and out, in and out. Wait for the move and then see what it gives you. So let me see. Here's why. And then look at euro, guys. Look, euro is looking like she want to tank. Like, look at that. She looking like more. She want to continue to the downside. And that's kind of tricky, especially where she is right now. But I want to see her fall low below these lows. But I could be wrong, guys. I could be wrong. Gold could just be flying to the high side, and DXY could just be tricking everybody and thinking that we're getting ready to go up, but it's not. It's actually getting ready to come back down. We got 36 minutes in this candle. Let me see. All right. US 30 is just, we don't even have to worry about US 30. US 30 is doing its job. Okay. US 30 is doing its job. If this market, I'm telling y'all, I feel some kind of way if gold goes up. And I was right. I mean, they making it tricky today. This week is just on some other stuff this week, guys. Man, this thing might buy up like crazy. And if she does, I'm just going to be like, let's see DXY. See, there's why it could fall, y'all. That's why I'm looking like gold. And then euro. Euro looks like she can fall too. Lots of liquidity here, 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 here. All this is happening. I'm just probably just being a little impatient today, guys. A little impatient today. I'm gonna put my patience in check. But man, gold just killing me, guys. Gold is killing me. It's in a consolidated area where it's pushing up, down, coming back to the same price of 1935 and 1934, and just being in these areas. I don't like playing in that. I like to play above it, and it did reach this candle. This is an institutional candle on a 15-minute, but I see that there's more above, and I was thinking it would go higher, but maybe they played off of that. Maybe that is the move, but I could be wrong. It could just be a trick, and I could be thinking like, yo, that trick is there. They tricking people. They're actually going to go up. But all they really doing, if we look here on the what is it? Oops, I'm sorry. Look here on the 15-minute. Look how they just moving back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Right? I mean, should I went with my first mind and kept a buy and then think that gold was gonna DXY is gonna fall like she is here, played off of this area here. Let's see gold. Damn, I don't know. It's a tricky area to be in. Because all she doing is kicking everybody out, like, oh, we're going up, and then making it seem like they're going up, but they're not going up. Then they make it seem like they're going down, but then they're not going down. They're just consolidating, guys. This is just consolidation. I'm actually in a sale in 1934. So I'm looking for her to fall. I know this says buy, but this is my previous price target, and it didn't work out. So that's why I wanted to short, like right here. I don't know. Where is it? Right here. Something like that. Where is it? 80 something. All right, let's just put it there. Yeah, so I'm looking for market to come back down to this price and then push down to these lows here, targeting this target, and then possibly reaching down here. Like, maybe that'll work out. Well, we won't know until we wait and see. And I like to see, okay, where would I want to see market go in the future to these lows? And already mitigating off this area here, didn't get to this buy. But sometimes I want that insufficient price action, and they won't give it to me. It'll be late, and then they'll make the move early. Or you know, just push past it. When we get up in this institutional area here on this candle here, these institutional levels up here, right? This one is the 88, 78, and 50%, right? We marked that earlier. So now I'm just looking like, okay, will this market continue to the downside? Well, I want to see more of the XY pushing up and taking out these highs here. See, we already got here. So now we like, all right, I'm feeling like she can come up, take these highs. Insufficient price action is above. They did some slippage coming down. So high chance that we could be going back up here to the liquidity areas. So, but if DXY continues to do this crazy stuff, I mean, it's just going to retrace and then do its retracement, and then we could see it take off, which means that gold would, you know, do some little pushes, enticing more buyers, and then take off to the downside. That's more say what I want to see. That's what I want to see. But you know, guys, you know how this game is. Look at US 30. This is how US 30 trade. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just put an alert right here, just alert me to let me know if US 30 comes back up to our area. I just want to let that play out. But man, y'all, I'm not really liking gold at all this week so far. It's only Tuesday, and she's getting on my nerves already, right? Usually she want to play fair, and she's nice to me. But today, she's not nice to me. This week, she hasn't been so nice to me, guys. But we'll see. We'll see what's going on. We'll see what's going on. Eventually I'll be like, oh, so this why he was being mean? All right, cool. And then I give her what she want, and then she start being nice to me again, right? But I don't know. Like right now, last 2 weeks we've been smacking her. This week is like, yo, the US 30 cross it already? Okay. All right. Maybe US 30 is gonna pull up some. DXY is pulling down. Let's look at her on the hourly. All right, I'm gonna put it here. A little bit higher. Right? Let me see if she crosses here. All right. Now we can play. Let's look at gold now. On the 15 minute. Okay. So she is giving us a little bit of that push back down into our area that we looking to sell, that I'm selling at. So, and then this right here, I'm just gonna do this. All right. So now y'all can see the P&L get filled up, and in the risk, in the reward area, and then US 30. I want to see US 30 push down a little bit more. It looked like she took these lows, and she took these guys here. So she took those. So those X'd out, and then we got this low here that she like barely tapped. She didn't even tap it. We might get down there too, and then these double bottoms. These are double bottoms, guys. And then there's just liquidity below. There's a gap here too. So we do have some gaps below, right here. On US 30. So we might get down here. We might just get down here, guys. This is money. All right, and this is money. So I want to see that. All right, let's see gold. All right, gold is giving us what we want on the sell side. I was looking to see if we get the buy up, but she looked like she want to give us that little sell. I want her to break this low right here though. And then I actually want to see gold break this low. So it could take some time, but at least that one is in some profits now. Okay, US 30 again. I want to see US 30 run. Like really run. She looking like she want to run. Gold. Gold, I need you to run too. Yeah, she running. Now my gold trade can run. We'll be sitting nice. She been smacking me. I didn't really want to sell there, but I'm like, it made sense though. After making it make sense, it's like, well, it makes sense. Sell there. You know, like this would have been a sell up in this area here. She dipped in this insufficient price action. And then looking at the 5 minute, we shot up into insufficient price action above this high. And then came down, filling this insufficient price action here on the shoot up. And then like that was an indication like we're moving down. She's filling this insufficient price action. All she did, you wait on that little retest and then boom, like she's falling. Right. So it makes sense. It makes sense, guys. Like sometimes I see it clear and then sometimes it's just a little cloudy. All right. But eventually I make it make sense in the end and I'll find that shot. So that's what it's gonna be. All right. Let me go and update that group. That was today. All right. So the sale, excuse me, the sale is actually panning out versus the buy, looking for that buy. We did have a whole lot of buying action here. So, I mean, give like the fact that she dipped up in here and then seeing all of this before is like, well, that's why I want to add on to the story too. That does look good. It does feasible. I had my eyes on these targets below yesterday. We didn't get there, but it doesn't mean that we're not going to get there. We will get there. You just gotta, like I say, you gotta figure out when, and how you're going to gauge yourself into the market, right? Let's look at yours 30. All right, she's still down there. We should still get that push, more pushes to the downside. All right. Just got to find a good position, guys. We're here to analyze. Nobody knows anything. like as far as which way market is going to go in. It's going to do what it wants to do. But you can get clues, and you could look at their footprints, and you could say, hey, all right, they did this before in the past, and it'll kind of tell you what they're going to do in the future. And so all we doing is analyzing, and you should be doing the same. Just analyze what happened before, and that should help you get an idea of where price is going to go in the future. Okay. And that's pretty much like how you guys are watching me live action. You just watch me get hit. Boom. I just got hit. Now y'all watch me get in another. Y'all watch me fix it. Like, okay, if this didn't go and I kept getting hit and it only pushed up so much, that wasn't the move. It's a possibility this could be that move for the sell side. So I look at both sides, buy side and sell side. I want to know both sides. So come on, guys. All right. So, oh man, let me lock this thing. Okay. I want to watch it here on the hourly. Just watch how she pulls up and down. I mean, not the hourly, the 15-minute. And just watch how she pulls up and down in this area. She already broke this low here that I wanted her to break. So this is, giving me that, all right, maybe we are wanting to move deeper. Maybe we're wanting to move deeper because we didn't close this insufficient price action. We just tapped into it and just, reacting off of it and reversing a little bit, but we didn't close down here. So what if we want to move lower, even though she's pulling back like crazy? Let's look at DXY real quick. Yeah, it's gonna do is breathing. It's just breathing right now. But look, guys, I'm looking for this sell to the downside and to get up into this area here, more up in there. They just tapping in this area. They're not necessarily like closing candles or nothing. They just tapping in and pulling off. That's not, guys, that's not enough. You gotta, for me, I want to see them close this whole gap. I don't want this to tap. That's not enough. Some people might just want it to tap in that area. I wanted to close that area because I know 9 times out of 10, they will come down and feel insufficient price action. 9 times out of 10, they will do it, guys. All right. Let's see. Yeah, we're running in some good profits right now. Real nice profits, actually. Let's see. US 30. All right, so there we go. Boom. US 30 is continuing to the downside. I want to see it get up in here. I might start looking for taking some partials down here in this area here. They actually didn't get here, but here I want to see them get here. And man, breakfast smells so good right now. Man, get y'all a vegan chef, yo, for real. On the real. I be seeing y'all with y'all chefs cooking y'all fried chicken, bacon, eggs, stuff that's gonna make you want to go to sleep. That is not, it's not food, guys. That's not food. Food should give you energy. All right. They just fluctuating back and forth. Like gold is just playing with everybody. But this is what we got. So what we're gonna work with. The market they showing us right now, so we're gonna play off of what they're showing us. And like I really need to take a nap, but I got so much going on that I can't nap. All right, so they don't look like they want to fall. All right, so they're going up. And if they take me out 15 pips, then I'm just out. And I'm gonna be done with gold. Like I'm not gonna play while she's playing in this little area of up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like, yo, go in my direction. And I need to find that shot. Like that shot was more say up here. And usually the only reason why I'm like this, maybe I might feel antsy. I'll know if I'm antsy or not. Like, yo, I'm not like this. I don't like this. I go back and forth in my head about it. Like, I don't like this one. But sometimes the things that I don't like, they pan out. And then there's like this percentage of times that I'll be feeling like I don't like it. And then I'll get out the trade and I'll be like happy that I got out, you know? So, um, but this area it looks okay, like for a sale. Now that it's creating more candles and stuff like that, it looks like all right, we could get that fall to the downside, you know, we could actually get that, but we would have to like literally like wait on that. And then let's look at US 30. She probably pulling back, so yeah, she pulled back a little bit too. So I don't know if this would be the area for her to come back up into these areas up here. If that's the case, if we get back up here, I'm just going to go ahead and just take that money and run. I'm not going to hold too long. And she looks like she is going to do it too. And then DXY is looking like it's falling and gold. Like DXY is supposed to be moving up to the upside, man. You know, you see this liquidity here. They just like doing the most right now. Like they're really gonna make us work for it, guys. This is what it be. This is what it is with you know, with being a trader, like a day trader. Like some days it's easy. Like you see the move, boom, you hit the button, right? Then it goes in your favor. You make it on a shmoney, right? Then it's like days like this where they make you work for it. They will consolidate in an area. They'll give you all your moves, your confirmations, and then just stall on you. Like you have to use patience now versus you know, using skill. You know, you got to use patience now. It's like, man. And then you're trying to find that position, and it's like, man, they keep going up, down. And you're trying to look for it, and you know, you get hit so many times. Like I've been hit like 3 times today, and I'm like, this is my last hit. If I get hit this time on gold, I'm just like, yo, all right, I'm gonna leave you be because obviously, look, she hit me here, and then it looked like she gonna hit me there too. You see this? This is not where I want to play at. Where you want to play at is more say here. All right, up here, and then give yourself that 15 pip stop. If she hits this, then it's like, all right, cool. I'm gonna hit this here. You got one shot here, one shot here, and your third shot here. But I took 3 shots on my sales here earlier, so I mean on my buys, and I got hit, you know. So and I was like, damn, I used all 3 shots on one trade. That's not good. But I can come back and shoot her again. So I shot her again here for the sale, thinking that we getting a sale set up. Yo, it's looking not too good. So that's the fourth shot, and I'm probably gonna be done with gold if she hits my 15 pip stop. That's the only amount of money that I'm planning on losing for the day. I'm gonna let US 30 just come up back up to this area. My alert me and let me know when to close the trade, and then I'm just gonna be done with it. Just take my win and move on with the US 30 trade. Gold looks like she's definitely just, you know, being very indecisive and moving up, down, and I don't like to play in that. So I'm going to leave gold alone the minute she hits my stop, and like just hold US 30 until it hits my alert, and then I'm gonna be out of US 30. But if gold hits my stop, then I'm definitely gonna be out of gold, and I'm gonna be done with her today. And it just looks like she just could just be, we could get up in these areas. So you got three ideas here. I have three ideas. Like, these are my ideas, guys. Here, the 15 pip stop, and then down here, target. You know, and usually it's like 1, 2, 3. That's how I should be playing. But right now, yo, she just murked me. Like, she just hit me. Am I 15 pips out? No. So it wasn't right there. My stop isn't right there. Where's my stop? Let me see it. Let me look at the number. Where is my freaking stop? Oh, it's a little higher. Oh, I had a 20 pip stop. I put a stop above these highs. Oh, I thought I did a 15 pip stop, guys. All right. So, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to be out of it though. She hit the 15 pip, and then she's probably gonna hit my 20, and that's it. I'm just done. I'm gonna have to be done with gold because she is like so out of whack right now in a consolidation area that I don't like playing in. So I know they're setting up for the kill. They're setting up for the kill, guys. Let's look at the 5 minute real quick. Yeah, this is ugly, guys. They're taking it to the lows, and then you know, take highs, lows. We might get this pullage back down. We might not. But this is a shot, guys. So we're just gonna wait and see what US 30 doing. We're gonna get that push on US 30. Let's get more of a push on US 30. Here we go. Yeah, gold is aggravating, bro. Aggravating. I want to know which way she's gonna go though. I need her to tell me that I'm wrong. That's what I need. I need you to tell me I'm wrong. So like I said, I had these three ideas. I got 1, 2, 3 ideas on what she could do. And we would just have to wait and see. But I'm gonna get in early to chase it. And I can afford to do that using the proper risk that I have. Management. But if I get hit again, I'm just gonna be done with gold and move on. US 30 did compensate me for the losses that I did take on on gold. So I'm happy about that. But I really want to see gold just tank for me. And she pulled back some, so that's good. This side, I wanted to pull back a hell of a lot more. What is today? Tuesday. It's Tuesday. All right. Come on. Drop for me. Y'all, this could be an all-day affair. Like, let me put my stop in there. And I'll be losing like shitload there. That's what, 25 pip stop? That ain't that bad. Is it 26 there? That's 30. All right, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all a benefit of the doubt now, Gold. I'm trying to give you a benefit. Like, I see you retested back up in this area now, fall. All right. Same with US 30. I need you to fall too. Right. US 30 just it just did the best thing for us today. Paid us nice. I mean, paid nice. Now let's see. All right. Just sit back and watch the show, guys. Sit back and watch the show. While you guys are watching the show, I'm going to take a 5-minute break real quick because I think we're going to be here for a while. Take a 5-minute break, get some more something to drink real quick, and I'll be right back. But I'm going to keep the chart up here, and I'll be back. As y'all can see, I've been, just running through the charts real quick. I just didn't have my camera on or my mic on. Sales looking good now. Looking at targeting, taking out all these lows here. Maybe they, ready to come down here and take out these lows, but we got to make price action. So just be patient. This is just the patient part right now. But it was good to see that, we finally got the move that I was looking for, and that looks great. You guys, you've been seeing US 30 though. Look what she did. She told these targets, bro, getting my money back. Now I'm deep in profit from this one. We got in up here at 34639.1, and look where she is now, right? 3444.6.0. Let's get it, guys. And she even fell a lot lower. Okay. So I'm still looking and taking out these guys. I said these guys will get taken. These trend line traders, they will get violated. All right. And they've been tested and violated and all that good shit, right? So looking now for us to be heading a little lower. But guys, I play what the market gives me, right? I have to play what the market gives me, not what I think. I have to just do what market gives me. So that's what I'm doing. All right, let's look at gold. Gold's still moving down nicely. Gold's good. Gold is good, guys. We can just watch this position. It turned out to be great. All right, I'm gonna watch it here. I put it on another broker so we can watch them. I like Oanda's chart, but I just like to keep this one clean. It does. I do markings on it so that way I can keep up with what's going on. But see, we have been doing some markings here, so I always know what's happening above and below. Now I can see this wave, and I could definitely see target, regardless if I mark them or not. I see them on this chart because this wave was happening. And then now she's finally turned around. So now we might get, see more of the sell action coming in. Yeah, just boosting up more and more profits, guys. Let's get US 30 real quick. Boosting up more and more profits for us. Let's go. And let's look at DXY. DXY, yes, move up. Everything else will move down. We got it, guys. We got it. All right. That's it. That is it. So where are we right now? Let's check. We have reached 35 pips in profit so far, and looking to hit these targets down here and these targets down here. All right. So if you want, right now, what I would do is just go ahead and just break even on this. Like, I'm not losing this trade. I'm not losing another trade today. You hear me, go? I'm not. I'm actually going to put this in front of it so I can take care of commissions. When I do break even, guys, I'm also putting my stop loss where it's taking care of my commissions too, and I profit like a couple, little shmoneys. You feel me? And that's it, you know, because if she's coming all the way back up there, all right, cool. I'm gonna take some money, take care of my commissions, and move on, find another position. So yeah, so definitely, you know, guys, try that. You should be doing that actually. Should be taking care of your commissions. Um, and also paying yourself a little bit because you did, you know, sit through the trade. You worked through it. So yeah. So do that. And now we're running risk free, guys. Okay. And just let her just do her thing and just run. US 30 is down here running, doing this thing, but eventually, you know, what goes down must come up, right? So be prepared to see maybe some buy candles coming up into this area before we maybe fall even deeper, right? Taking out more of these stop losses. They didn't get down here or down here or down here, so we still got to get there. And there's a lot of liquidity sitting below here too. There's lots of monies everywhere, guys. A lot of money everywhere. So let's just let them, you know, let them play out, let them breathe. We're up here. You should be the same as gold. Go ahead and put your I will go ahead and secure like this much right here, right? Like I would put my stop right there. Boom. That's secure. This is secure, right? If market comes back up, no matter what, it doesn't matter. I'm good. Like take me out the trade and I, you know, add to my balance, please. Thank you. But I'm watching to see if I can get even further down. So maybe I could double this up, you know, and then you know, put my stop in profit and then let the rest run. We'll see, but it's just gonna take time, okay? And let's look at gold one last time. So we secured gold too. We can go ahead and get rid of this because we don't need that anymore. That did not work out for us. Okay. And they didn't close all of this yet, so we could just pull this down here and a little deeper. That too. All right. So everything is secured and everything is running in profit and some nice deep profits. So if you want, you know, you take profits. If you want, stay in your trade, you can hold it. You got so many decisions that you can make to you know, manage your account. So I appreciate every last one of you for coming to the stream and sitting through this long ass stream today on this boring Tuesday, right? It is a Tuesday, but it wasn't really boring. It was pretty cool. It was exciting today. You know, it got me moving in my seat a little bit, you know. So, yeah, I like when, you know, give me a little challenge, you know, don't make it so easy on me all the time. I've been kicking your ass for 2 weeks, yo. You know, it's about time you clap back. You feel me? So, yo, but yeah, anyways, make sure y'all hit that like and notification bell and subscribe to my channel and come back for the next trade setup tomorrow, 7 a.m. Central Time. Make sure you're here to get your free shmoneys, right? You don't want to miss out on these fire entries, right? And yo, let's just get it. Let's just grow together, y'all. All right. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow, 7 a.m. One love. Peace.